Hello dear students, today our next topic is how to activate sleep and hibernate feature in our laptop or computer. So for this, first of all we have to learn what is the difference between the two. So first of all I am telling about sleep mode. Sleep mode it is basically a power saving state wherein computer does not turn off completely. Only its hard disk and monitor are turned off. Computer puts all our work and settings in random access memory means RAM and draws a small amount of power. It means when we put our computer in sleep mode, it does not turn off completely. Only its hard disk and monitor are turned off. Okay, rest of the things are proper in working condition, and it puts all our work which we are doing in RAM, because RAM is a very fast memory, primary memory, and it is volatile also. It means that whatever RAM have in it, it completely lost when the power goes. Okay, it means RAM hold the things for some time till the power is on. Okay, so in sleep mode only our hard disk and monitor are turned off, and RAM puts all the things in it. Okay, all the files, all the settings, RAM stores. Now what is hibernate? Hibernate, it is a state in which computer shuts down to save power, but first saves everything in the memory on the hard disk, because hard disk is a secondary memory and it stores permanently. So in hibernate, all our work and settings are stored in hard disk, whereas in sleep mode all our work and settings are stored in RAM. Okay, now uh, next we will learn how to activate this sleep mode and hibernate mode. For this, first of all we have to open the control panel. We can open the control panel by clicking on my computer. Click on computer tab, click on open control panel. Now panel window is opened, and if you want you can open the control panel from here also. Click on settings and click on control panel. Okay, and the third way is that click on search, type control panel. See, control panel here comes. So this way you can also open control panel window. Here you can click on power options. So by default this button is selected. If you want to put your computer in sleep mode, you have to just click on this power saver radio button. When we click on this balanced radio button will deactivate itself. Okay, now our computer is put in sleep mode. Okay, what we have to do, we have to just go to settings, click on power and click on sleep. So now our computer is put in sleep mode. Now again click on this, click start the computer. Now next is how to activate the hibernate option. To activate in the control panel window, you have to just click on choose what the power button does, and here you can see one option is there, one link is there, change settings that are currently unavailable. Click here. You can see now only hibernate is deactivated here. If you click on this check box, a check mark will appear before hibernate. See, show in power menu is written, and after clicking here, now you can see this hibernate option is available in power menu. Okay, save changes, and now go to settings and click on power. See, former hibernate option was not there, now it is activated. Click here. Now our see, this is the way how we can activate uh, hibernate and sleep features. Now next one thing is more there, hybrid sleep. For this we have to just click on this change plan settings, then click on change advanced power settings. This power options dialog box will appear. You can see here is a tree is there. You can click on this plus icon before sleep, and here you can see allow hybrid sleep option is there. Okay, you can see here but already on है ये feature. Okay, what is the function of hybrid sleep? Hybrid sleep is a feature in which all our work and settings are stored in RAM also and hard disk also. Okay, it means that because RAM is a volatile memory and all the things which are stored in RAM are temporary, so whenever the power goes, all its contents are lost. That's why in hybrid sleep there is no chance of data losing, because the data is saved in both, in hybrid sleep, in RAM also and in hard disk also. Okay, so here we can change the settings of hibernate and the sleep mode. Do practice of the same. Stay safe, stay at home.